Hello everyone and welcome back to a new video. In this video, I'm going to show you guys how you can run Google Ads for Shopify. So if you guys want to learn how to do it, just follow the steps that I'm going to show you. Running Google Ads for your Shopify store is a great way to drive traffic and boost sales by reaching potential customers who are searching for products similar to what you offer. Here's a step-by-step guide on how you can do it. First of all, set up Google Ads account. If you don't have a Google Ads account, you'll need to create one first. In order to set up your Google Ads, first of all, go to the Google Ads website, click on Start Now, and follow the prompts to create an account. Enter your business name and website URL and other required details. Set your buying information to activate your account. Then install the Google and YouTube app in Shopify. The Google and YouTube app will allow Shopify store owners to sync their products catalog with Google, enabling you to run ads and list your product on Google Shopping. In order to install and set up, first of all, log into your Shopify admin, go to the Shopify App Store and search for Google and YouTube. Click on Add App and then click on Install App. Once installed, open the app and sign in with your Google Ads account. Follow the setup instructions to link your Google Ads account. Verify your store domain and sync your product feed. Set up conversion tracking. Conversion tracking is essential for measuring the effectiveness of your ads. It tracks action like purchases, cart additions, and more. Steps to set it up. First of all, in Google Ads, go to Tools and Settings, then Measurement, and then Conversion. Click on the plus button. Choose website as the source and then select purchase. So this is it guys for today's video. Thank you guys for watching. See you guys in the next video.